Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. We are going to now discuss on cybersecurity. Let us get with the introduction to cybersecurity. Now, what actually a cybersecurity is? A cybersecurity refers to protecting a computer, or it can be a mobile device, it can be a system, it can be a network, it can be a data, or it can be any electronic systems from any malicious attacks. That means we are going to protect from unknown attacks. This is also referred to as an information technology security. So, when we are going to go with a cybersecurity compliances with the laws and regulations that has been framed by that particular country. So, the regulations and laws ensures that our data is being protected. Okay, now the protection of the data includes our personal data, it can be organizational data, it can be communication which is safe and secure. If you are going to do some digital transactions, again that particular digital transaction over the network is trustworthy, it has been verified, and you have an advantage of having an avoidance of any financial loss. Now, why we need a security on the cyber process? We have some threats on cyber. So what are the various threats we have here? The common threats includes malware. It can be an attack on your software through virus and spyware. The next type of a cyber threat is phishing, where you will have spam mails. We call them as the even fake emails. Okay, and these emails, when you just select them or you open them, it takes up your personal data. It's a way of taking your personal information. And the third type of a cyber threat is ransomware, where you are going to have a data being encrypted by an user, and that user demands you a ransom amount to release it. So that is called as a ransomware. The next type of a cyber threat is denial of service. So where you are going to have unavailable traffic, or you can say unavailable services over the network by having an overwhelming traffic. And the next one is man in the middle. And this type of a threat is going to be an intercepting of the data between two parties. It is a spyware where you'll have an eavesdropping. The data is being intercepted by the two parties. So what actually this particular threat leads to? So a threat over the cyber leads to data breaches, financial loss, damage of your reputation, as well as some legal consequences. We have some key principles of cybersecurity. These principles are referred to as the CIA triad. What actually this CIA refers to? C is confidentiality, I is integrity, A is availability. Confidentiality. So your data is being protected, and only those persons who have authorized access to it can access it. Say for example, you protect your data using password, or you can have your files being protected using password. You can have this particular authorization given to even your system login. So what is the advantage of it? You will prevent some data leak because of an unauthorized access. The next one is integrity. So we have an accurate, consistent, unaltered data being available by an authorized user. So here integrity will ensure that your data is complete by nature. It is not altered by any unauthorized persons. Say for example, you can use digital signature. That's one example where you can have an integrity on the data. It prevents an modification of your data over the transmission media. The last one is availability, where we ensure that information and systems are available when needed. So you will have a backup of your data. The server has been properly maintained. There is enough of storage space and your data is completely protected from any digital denial of service attack. So this will have a good data being protected and this prevents downtime and service disruptions. So integrity, confidentiality and availability are three essential principles of cyber security. Thank you.